Whoa. What happened? I haven't felt this horrible since I accidentally saw Comedy Chimp's swimsuit calendar. Ooh, November. And why am I dressed like a discount bin action figure? Hello? Anybody here? This place is deserted and depressing. It's Amy's poetry slam all over again. Am I right? Oh, yeah, right. Maybe Tails knows what's going on. Tails? You here? Maybe he's with Amy. I guess it's my own fault. You snooze, you lose. Tails? Amy? Whew. They're not here. I mean, oh no, they're not here. Nobody at Medburger either. Well, actually, that makes sense. Think, Sonic. How did this happen?